kamusta? I'm Teacher J, and today we'll talk about the macro and micronutrients. Do you have an idea what is macro and micronutrients?
No.
If none, you need to finish this video. Did you know that nutrients are substance that allows our body to build energy, maintaining tissue, and also regulate bodily processes?
Wow!
There are two categories of nutrients. We have macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are nutrients that provides calories or energy and are required in large amounts to maintain body function and carry out the activities of daily life. So these are the examples of macronutrients. We have the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. If we say carbohydrates, it is our main source of energy. When we say fats, it is a one source of energy and important in relation to health of the digestive system. While proteins are essential to growth and repair of muscles and other body tissues. Example of that are the nuts, eggs, rice, and bananas. Now let's move on to the micronutrients. Are those nutrients that are needs in small amount. Examples are the vitamins and minerals. When we say vitamins, it is a play an important role in many chemical processes in the body. Example of that is the vitamin A, C, D, E, and K. While minerals are those inorganic elements occurring in the body and which are critical to its normal function. Example is the calcium, iron, zinc, magnesium, and also potassium. Now, I have a question. Why is it important to know the significance of macronutrients and micronutrients in maintaining overall health and well-being? So comment your answer in our inbox. So that's all.
Thank you.